My buddy just phoned me. He was like, yo bro, what's up? It's 11 PM, what do you want? He went, do you want to buy a car? I was like, what have you got? I was like, mate, I'm on my way. I am on my way. So I've got in the car, I'm gonna go and pick up the boys, and we're going. Wait and see what I've got.
You can call me stupid, yes, you can call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy, you can say I'm weak. You think that using her would get to me, and if you're right then you're in trouble, D.
I've just got to the place now. I can see the car. I think this one's going to be a good one. Let's see what we've got. So it's about 1 AM. We're on our way back now. The new car looks so sick, man. Can't wait. Tomorrow, I'll reveal it to you in the morning. And then we'll take it for a wash. And then we'll put it on the dyno and see what power it makes. Ball ache, it was so late at night. Chill out. Peace. So after a long wait, we finally got the car. It's behind me. I can't explain. Wanted one of these for 10 years. We finally got one, boys. We finally got one. So here it is. Celica GT4. Which is a bit rough. It's been sitting for a while. Let's check out the bodywork and see what it's like. You know what time it is? Let's go for a drive. Purrs like a kitten. Time to drive. So the story with this is, I've been wanting it for a couple of years now. That's the bumps. Oh, there goes my body kit. Wait for the scrape. Hold up. Got the vibrations, bro. She's a dirty old girl. Better go and give her a wash.
I would definitely give it a clean. It is pure filth.
It is pure filth. Standard. To be fair, for having a wheel nut missing on every single wheel and having 2 years old fuel in it goes pretty well. If it was a PD 130, I'll be saying right now, pulls like a train.
You are being outdone by a Honda.
Not chance. We'll be getting it on the dyno and doing some BPU mods to it and just enjoying it. Seeing what we can do with it until the turbo shits his pants. Oh, let's go. Twiggy. Twiggy. the car in, got it on the dyno. Let's strap it down and see what it does.
Send it!
I reckon this is going to be about 230. It's meant to be 250 something.
Gas with A's, gas with A's, gas with A's, gas with A's, gas with A's.